So Mohit asked, ma'am, my verbal section is very bad, getting 6 to 9 marks in mocks, what to do? Mohit, you should basically say that, okay, this is critical right now. 6 to 9 marks will not do. This is like the most important thing that you have to focus on from now till November. This is like the mission, critical mission as such. So what should you do now? The first thing is that you should practice a lot of RCs, a lot of reading. If you have a good habit of reading, if you have like read a lot from school onwards, if you have the habit of reading, then you don't need to actually read essays and like articles and all. You can directly go to practicing RCs. But in case you do not have a reading habit, what I generally say is that give like 2 hours specifically for RC, 1 hour with general reading. So you can read from Aeon essays, you can read from the Economist, you can read from the Guardian, you can read from different sources and do active reading. So in active reading, you read a paragraph, you write down the main point. You read a paragraph, you write down the main point. Do this for various sources of like general reading as such. And what this will actually encourage you is like it will develop a reading habit in you, which is super important. That is the first 1 hour of daily practice. The second hour of daily practice is for actually solving RCs. I want you to solve at least 3 RCs in this particular time. If you have a good source of RC preparation, I would say that one very good source of RC preparation is CAT Daily Target. Daily Targets, you will get 1 RC every single day with video explanation also. So that will help you quite a bit in knowing how to solve the RC, how to read the RC also. You can also solve RCs from Kraku's study room as such. Another good source for RC practice is the previous year's papers. They are available in mock format as well as PDF format, freely available on Kraku. So you can download all previous year's papers as PDFs from the previous years also. So what I would suggest is 2 hours every single day, just focus on RC. First hour on general reading, second hour on practicing as many RCs as possible. Do active reading and just keep like this is like your first primary focus. Keep doing this until you at least achieve 20 marks in VARC. Then you can spend equal time between the different sections, because if you are getting single digits in VARC, this should be like the focus of your preparation right now.